the Bodacious better lighter weight Shaman with flat handle, which is really comfortable in the hand. Shaman is even more, but this is better to carry because it's flat. If you are still using your knife, then or you are using your knife more than you are carrying your knife, then Shaman is better. But for carrying and hard use, this Bodacious is better. I think it's the better version of Shaman. I even wanted to modify the Shaman so that it has longer cutting edge. This is really good. I really like it. Maybe next time I would go with the G10 version. This is really slick. It's not sliding, it's good, it's still very good. But maybe with the G10 would be even better. I'm not complaining. Really nice. Let's compare it to CVV Elementum. And for example, this Ripley, USP Ripley, which are far cheaper knives, but similar in size. Let's compare it to similar size knives. This was a Sencut. And this one is also, this is similar, it's flat, and this is my Carta, but it feels similar. Much lighter, of course, much heavier usage. Sencut. Tenacious. And for example, this Osborne. Handle, it's more or less same size, really lightweight, slimmer, but also you get much less cutting edge. For carrying and slicing, this is probably better. For heavy usage, this one is better. This is also like the whole steel knife. This is for heavy use. Smaller, but it doesn't feel that much weight difference. If you need longer cutting edge, then this is better than, for example, big Victorinox. Actually, because of such variety of steels, this feels heavier. Sokok, the standard middle-sized, full-sized knife. Let me know. I will differentiate, decide is this a middle size or full size, because it feels like 100 grams. It's a really good size for me. Not too big, not too small. The ideal size. This is big size. And this is some cheap Free Tiger. More or less. This is a little bit heavier, but for the size, this is pretty lightweight. I like it. Small knife. This is more or less the same. This is smaller, slimmer, lighter. Let's see which one is longer. I think the Hagin, no, more or less they are the same, but this is superior to carry. This is superior to heavy usage. Let me know in the comments if you like this knife.